All right, everyone. Welcome to another platform review. Today, we're going to be looking at a web-based platform called Kahoot that we think can be a really engaging tool for teachers in their classrooms. So when you go to getkahoot.com, you'll come to a screen that looks like this. You'll want to create an account if you haven't. If you have already, you just sign in. And you'll have three choices: quiz, discussion, survey. Today, we're just going to look at a quiz. So I'm going to go ahead and click on quiz, and I'm going to give it a name. Greg's quiz. I'll hit go, and then I come to a screen that looks like this. So at the top, I'm going to type in the question: who was the first president of the United States? And then I could give this points or not. I'm going to want points on the question. Time limit, I can choose how long I want students to answer the question. I'm going to give them 20 seconds because it should be pretty easy. And down here I'm going to give some answers. Abraham Lincoln, John Quincy Adams, George Washington, or Thomas Jefferson. So I have to give a right answer. Obviously, it's Washington. And then on the bottom of the screen, I can add question, duplicate, cancel, save, or continue. I'm going to go ahead and add a second question to my quiz. And this question, I'm going to add a picture. So in the middle is a browse. If I click on that, it'll take me to images on my computer. I go ahead and select this image of Lincoln. It'll download it, and I can add a question. This is a picture of what U.S. president? And this one, I'm going to give them only 20 seconds to answer. And here's a really neat thing. If I don't want 4 choices, I can go ahead and eliminate. And so I'm just going to give 2 choices. This is Abraham Lincoln or George Washington. And I have to choose a correct one. And I'm going to go ahead and hit save and continue. So here's my quiz, basically, my 2-question quiz. You can make them a lot longer, obviously, if you want. I'm going to hit save and continue since I don't want to go ahead and go and edit. I choose a language as English. Privacy settings, this one's going to be public. And my audience is going to be for school. I can give it a description. Greg's quiz demo. I can hit save and continue. And it'll ask me if I want to give my quiz a cover image. So sure, I'll go ahead and do that. I'll just use my Lincoln picture there for my cover image. And then I'm going to go ahead down here in the green and hit done. Okay, so right now I see the name of my quiz. I can play it now. I can preview. I can go ahead and edit it. I'm going to go ahead and hit play now. It opens up another screen, and it'll see my quiz name, launch. I'm going to come down here and turn this off. Yep, make sure that's off so the music doesn't play. I'm going to go ahead and launch it. Wait a minute, and then I will see a game pin. So what this means is my students, any device they're on, phones, apps, iPads, Droids, Chromebooks, whatever it is, as long as they can access a web server, they'll go to kahoot.it, and it looks just like the screen they're showing here. They'll punch in this code, and that will take them to the quiz. They'll need to enter their name, and then I will need to hit start now. I'll launch the quiz. The students will see the questions. They'll be able to answer to it, and then they'll get certain points based on how quickly they answer the questions. It's a very fun and engaging way. I think it's a great opportunity for teachers to be able to review material or at the end of a class to kind of summarize what you learned in it. Okay, for a final hacker platform review, Kahoot gets 4 hacks. It's very simple to learn. It can be used across a lot of different grade levels and a lot of different content areas. I gave it a full hack for smashability because you could use it with any device. So it's very simple to use, whether you're using Macs or PCs, cell phones, whatever it may be. And then for the cost, it's a free platform. So, well, thank you for following along today. Please join us next time for our next Hacker Quick Byte review. and follow along with us on the web at doceo.nnu.edu.